Hey, hi everyone. Uh, we have come to the week, the subsequent week of chapter 3. Effectively, this is a week 12 for all of us. So, let's start. Sorry, I'm having a little cold, so just bear with me. Okay. कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षर समुद्भवं तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम् एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रं नानुवर्तयति यः अघायुरिन्द्रियारामो मोघं पार्थ स जीवति यस्त्वात्मरतिरेव स्यादात्मतृप्तृश्च तृप्तृश्च मानवः आत्मन्नेव च सन्तुष्टः तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते नैवं तस्य कृतेनार्थो नाकृतेनेह कश्चन न चास्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चिदर्थव्यपाश्रयः. So let's quickly talk about the meaning, right? And this is all about um, this is all about karma yoga, right? So, so, so when Krishna talks about this, he said, right? Whenever you do an act of sacrifice, right? Okay, whatever responsibility you take, right? And if you do something with the act of sacrifice, that is the, I mean, that is something which is saying it's a karma, right? Basically, you're doing some of the things which does not delight your senses, but 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 it's not only for the delight of your senses, but it's more from the sacrifice for what you can do for the world and around. Okay. And when such a person when such a person is involved in this kind of activities, right? Or who takes all of his duties, actions and duties, right? Not to gain something, okay, or he does not have to gain or lose something, right? um, mm, and also he does not have to depend upon other living beings for his well-being and all of those things, right? He's just discharging his duty just because it is the welfare of the good of all the people. Okay. So basically, in nutshell, he's saying, right, do your activities, right, with the sense of sacrifice. That is the best thing to do. Okay, not for your personal gain. And it should not be taken in a way, because some people who are also in meditation and all of those things, they are like kind of, no, they said, okay, what I have to do with this world, and then they don't contribute anything to the world. Only if they could contribute, right, they could give some of the knowledge to the people around and all of those things. It will be best for the people, right? This is something which is something which we need to think about it, because most of the people, they does not really talk about anything. Okay, next sloka, let's start off, right? तस्मादसक्त सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचर असक्तो ह्याचरन् कर्म परं न माप्नोति पुरुषः. Okay, so next sloka. So कर्मण्येव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन्य कर्तुमर्हसि. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठ तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यं वाप्तव्यं वर्त एव च कर्मणि. Okay. So basically, in next four shlokas, he is more talking about, again, you do perform actions as a matter of duty, right, without thinking about the fruits, right? And he is talking about, also he's talking about, and this is something very very important. Okay, I will repeat this shloka one more time. Yad yada charati shrestha तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते. What is the meaning of this, right? And this is a leadership lesson, right? I mean, yad yada charati shreshta, like the, I mean, shreshta means a leader. The way the leader will work, right, the follower will do. So leader whatever actions leaders do, the follower do that extent, right? But at the same time, if leader says like do this, do that, followers will not do. So there is this fine difference between what actions the leaders do, okay, and what they say. If they are in sync, people will do, and people see, right, what you are doing as a leader, and they will follow you, okay. Then the next line is something, right? Sayat pramanam krute lokastaduna vartate. Like, I mean, it's basically talking about here, people will follow you, right? Whatever they see you, whatever examples you create, right, people will follow that. Okay. I think we have covered the 22nd shloka also. So basically, he's just talking about working without expecting anything. Okay. So let's move on to the shloka number 23. Yadi yaham navarteyam, yadi hayaham navarteyam, jatu karmanya tandritah, mama vartamanu vartante, manushya partha sarvashah. Next look. Ussadiyeru उत्सीदेयुरे युरी में लोका उत्सीदेयुरी में लोका न कुर्यां कर्म चेदहं शंकरस्य च कर्ता स्यामुपहन्यामि मः प्रजः. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. सक्ता कर्मण्य विद्वांसो यथा कुर्वन्ति भारतः कुर्याद् विद्वांस्तथा शक्त चिकीर्षुर्लोक संग्रहम्. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेद् ज्ञानं कर्म संगिनां जोषये सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरणः. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. प्रकृते क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते. Again, this is one of the important shloka for me. tat 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 tattvavid tattvavid tattavittu mahabaho तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणकर्म विभागयोः गुणा गुणेषु वर्तन्त इति मत्वा न सज्जते. Okay, so let's quickly talk about meaning, right? So basically, in the previous shloka he said, right, leaders will follow what I am doing, right? So then Krishna is very conscious that he is a leader, right? Then he says, okay, I don't have to perform any actions, right? But I am working because just to set an example, right? I mean, just to so that people follows me, right? I mean, and that is what I'm saying, right? I mean, I will not. I am acting without attachment, okay, for the sake of leading the people, right? I mean, he's leading the people onto the right path, right? And also, right, I mean, one who's a voice, one who's very intelligent person, right, he will not, I mean, in spite of not acting, right, and showing an example that there is no need for act in this world, he will act, right? But though he would not be attached to the fruits, right, but he would act, right? So he performing his duty in a manner which can inspire other peoples, right? Again, this is again I said, right, prakriti kriyamanani gunay karmani sarvasa ahankara vimudhatma karta haminti manyate, right? Again, this is very important shloka because most of the time people think that they are doing it, right? But effectively, right, I mean, all the actions they are doing is because of their nature, imbibed nature, and this nature is basically depending upon certain of the gunas which are within them. Okay. Right, so I mean that's pretty much from this. I think just don't get entangled into what you do. Have a detachment, right? At the same time, don't be totally detached, right? Work with lot of passion, right? But yeah, when the dispassion is required, just come out of it. That's what it is. And we'll cover next of the other slokas in the next video. Thank you and take care, guys. Bye, guys.